Bun Gibril ki ang buat U Trai ni tang mentem nim jio jing siu ni tem seperti kam yop sahet.
There are many people who say, oh, following the Lord, serving the Lord here in this place, we don't even get paid for playing these instruments.
Bun
I should
Gibril
go
ki
and play
barwai
in
hing
other
mani
places.
ki marwai so hing mani na marbalai ba ki klemrwai nam tau Jisu.
There are many who would no longer sing for the Lord in the church because they were not initially singing for Jesus.
Nemer ki arta tien yo bau Jisu siu area ki.
Because they were already hesitant and in doubt that Jesus is not going to pay them.
Say ka future jangan surwai bi kum ni hing mani.
Where would my future be if I go on singing like this in the church?
Pading ta kwa banong.
And therefore I would like to tell you,
Ladang ibuat yu Jisu.
if we follow Jesus,
Ladang impat Khein Duh ialade.
if we have not denied
Long
ourselves,
kal balong jag ba jan mar ngai U Trai ngan buat ba.
now no matter what happens to me, because I love the Lord, I will follow Him.
Ladaw tau bri umpat long kumta, he is not fit umpat long babit ban buat U Trai.
Therefore, if that man is not like that, he's not fit